First, we will discuss about digital marketing in e-commerce. Okay. So, what do you mean by e-commerce? Please unmute and tell your answer, or
Sir,
you type in
commercial
chat box also.
activities which are held through internet, sir.
Okay.
So online business.
Buying and selling products through the internet. Okay, that is the one definition. Next one is, so what are
Online.
different models in e-commerce? Suppose I want to buy and sell in using internet technology, different technology. What are different models? For example, business to business, business to consumer, then consumer to business, then last one is a consumer to consumer. For example, business to business. Okay. So, for example, lot of different wholesale merchant are available. They are selling their product for a particular distributor only. Okay. So there is a provisional products. Okay. So they are selling their products for particular retail customers only, retail merchants only. Okay. In generally, we are using there is a Sakti Masala, look like that, lot of different companies. Okay, that is a practically. Okay. So next one is here business to consumer. Okay, business to consumer. They are selling their products, electronics product, etc., etc. They are selling product to the particular consumer only. Okay, they are not contact directly to the businessman and retail merchant. Look like that. Okay. So next one is a consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer means so directly that consumer can sell and buy the particular product, resell a particular product by using the particular type of website. That is a OLX. Look like that. Okay. So then government to consumer. Okay, look like a different type of e-governance, then registration office. Okay, so these are different type of models in e-commerce. Okay, so we have to establish this type of e-commerce based on the different type of internet technology. Okay, so that is a LAN, WAN. Okay, then internet service provider, then different type of protocols. Okay, by using that we can we can establish particular type of internet technology. By using the particular type of internet technology, we can establish a e-commerce. Okay, so how to design e-commerce website? So based on the different type of technologies. Okay, so nowadays different type of frameworks available in e-commerce website. So based on the e-commerce, we have to design a particular website in the based on the particular m-commerce, that is based on the app oriented. Okay, so look like that different type of m-commerce. Okay, so in e-commerce, in the sense nowadays we are using the m-commerce, mobile commerce and e-commerce. In the sense of mobile commerce, when lot of we are using the app oriented. In the sense of e-commerce, lot of we are using the website oriented. So these technologies are based on built different type of Python nowadays, Ajax, PHP. Okay, then JSP, then ASP, then .NET framework. Okay, look like that different type of developing oriented technologies. Okay, so then we can design based on the HTML, DHTML, CSS, XML. Look like that, lot of different front-end technology. So back-end technology, that is a database. Okay, so there is a three-layer architecture. First layer is that is based on the front end. So there is HTML, DHTML, CSS, XML. So look like that service oriented architecture. Okay, that is a front end. Next one, middleware is here. There is a developing oriented language. Okay, there is a JSP, ASP, .NET framework, then Python, then PHP. Look like that. So last one is a access layer. There is a database layer. Okay, database layer nothing but there is a Oracle, MySQL, then DBase. Look like that, different type of database. Okay, so based on e-commerce or based on a general structure, we can divide by three type of architecture. First one is a First one is a user level layer. Next one is a business level layer. Last one is a access level layer. User level layer, that is a front end. Okay. Business level layer, that is a middleware. Last one is a access level layer, that is a database. Okay. So now all of you able to understand what is e-commerce, how to establish a e-commerce. Okay. So that is a basic of e-commerce. Okay. My voice is clear. Any interrupt in my voice, please type in chat box or unmute and answer me.
Sir, it's clear, sir.
Yes, okay, okay. Thank you. So based on that basic concept, now we will go through social, mobile, and local marketing. Okay. So first one is a social. Social means what are the different type of social network websites, or what are different type of social app. Okay, so nowadays we are using the different type of social app and social websites. First one is a Facebook, next one is a Instagram, next one is a Twitter, next one is a Tumblr, next one is a Pinterest. Okay, look like that, different type of social websites. Okay, next one is a mobile oriented. And in the sense of mobile oriented, there is a WhatsApp. Okay, then SMS, then email. Okay, so there is a mobile oriented. Next one is a local marketing. Okay, so how to cover local marketing? Okay, so these issues, so these factors will cover today digital marketing in e-commerce. Okay, so there is a main agenda in today. Okay, so first, how people use their mobile devices. Okay, so 52% according to survey taken at 2015 and 2016. Okay, 52% are using entertainment for only entertainment. Okay, 25% are socializing to grow network. 8% are shopping to buy and sell something. Okay, 8% are performing tasks. So look like they are to do task or the Google Calendar, look like that. That planning schedule tips for business. Okay, last one is a news information to get this some news, then current news, current affairs. Then last one is a hobbies. Okay, so these are different users available in based on the mobile devices. Okay, so 52% nowadays is in this survey is taken at 2015 and so 2016, but nowadays 2019-20. Okay, so the entertainment was increased. Okay, so at least based on now 60 to 70 percentage was increased. Okay, so how to convert this one as a business, how to convert these mobile devices, how to convert this mobile apps, how to convert this mobile platform as a business. So yeah, that is a very very big challenge. Another one is yeah, that is easy also. Okay, so how to convert. Okay, for example, for example, so already you know very well in Tamil Nadu and Andhra. Okay, you have that is a IPAC. Okay, so IPAC is that is a one company. So that is main objective is convert each and every mobile users, convert user each and every social users as a voters of the particular support party. Okay, as converted to be converted support for the particular party at the same as a voting for to them. Okay, so that is a main thing of the particular company. For example, okay, this is a website, Indian Political Action Committee. Okay, that is a one business analyst or social analyst company. Okay, so it is doing business only based on the data analyst and business analyst based on the different type of social network. Okay, so they will take you different type of survey and analysis and will plan based on the particular analysis based on the different type of state. Okay, then last, what is outcome? What is outcome of the particular political analysis committee? Okay, they have converted each and every social users. They have converted each and every mobile users as a voter of the particular party. Okay, that is the main agenda, main aim of this company. Okay, for example, see this example. All of you able to see? I hope all of you able to see. Okay, so this is yeah, that particular website. Okay, see, this is a different type of political agenda, political MOU with them. Okay, 2014, Mr. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 2015, Nitish Kumar in Bihar. 2017, Amrinder Singh. 2017 again Rahul Gandhi. 2019, Jagan Mohan Reddy. Okay, in Andhra. Okay, so now, so this is a Delhi victory by the particular IPAC company. Okay, okay, so these are different plan based on the different type of survey, based on the different type of analytical. Okay, so why I am mentioning here? Okay, so why I mention here? Just only data driven, just only data. A big tremendous change in each and every state or in India. Okay, so what is behind in that one? What is behind that one? Just data, collecting the data, acquisition the data, and convert each and every data as a voter, as a convert each and every data as a business lead. How is it possible? How is it possible? Okay, so in the olden days, lot of different type of agendas, different type of campaigns method. Okay, so that is not possible. Okay, so nowadays this type of campaigns, okay, this type of agenda based on the only digital marketing only. How is it possible as a business lead? How they are converted as a voter of the particular party? Okay, so there is a tremendous changes based on the digital marketing with data analytics, or digital marketing with business analytics. Okay, okay, so now based on the digital marketing, based on the digital marketing, first 30% only tools, 30% only we are using the tools. Okay, 70% we should analyze, we should know about the strategy of the particular business or strategy of the particular problem. Okay, otherwise we will not able to success in the particular digital marketing. Okay, so only 30% is involved in the particular digital marketing. 70% we should know, we should customize, we should analyze, we should frame our customer pain. Okay, without knowing of the customer pain, without knowing of the particular requirements, without knowing of the particular product. Okay, we are not able to design our digital marketing. Okay, that is a first suggestion. Okay, so a lot of people are doing digital marketing nowadays. They know tool, they know different type of technology, they know different type of social networking, but the final result is, the final outcome is failure. Okay, so that is a reason behind them. Okay, so we should able to, we should plan to, we should analyze to, we should gather requirements, we should design based on the, based on the different type of factors, different type of analysis. Otherwise, our digital marketing strategy will be failure. Okay, okay. So first 30% plus 70%. That is a formula to success in digital marketing e-commerce. Okay. So now we will enter into particular concept. Okay. Introduction to social, mobile and local marketing. Social means already I have discussed about the social. That is a different type of Facebook, different type of websites, social network websites. That is a Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest. Look like that. Okay. So next one is a mobile. Mobile means that is a email, then messaging. Okay, then WhatsApp. Okay, so and different type of telegrams. So what are the different applications based on the mobile? That is a mobile oriented. And local marketing. So local marketing nothing but that is a GPS. Okay, global positioning system. Okay, so now they are interconnected by the GPS system. Okay, that is a local positioning system and global positioning system. Suppose, for example, in Swiggy or any other order, any other food product application. Okay, so how to find out the different type of hotels, how to find out different type of restaurants in your area. First, you have to install the particular app. That app is a request to allow the particular enable the particular GPS. Okay, so in some apps without internet connection, without help of the internet connection, they are able to find out the different type of restaurants, different type of hotels, different type of malls by using the Google Map also. Okay, so nowadays that particular location based system, global position system, GPS, is based on the without internet technology. So that is very helpful to micro supply chain management and interconnecting between the social media and the mobile and local marketing. So okay, suppose you want to find out the one supermarket, okay, nearby your area. Okay, how to find out? So Google go to particular Google, then find out the particular type your shop name, your favorite shop name, then it will give you some result. Okay, so it will give some result based on the, so this is a within the 3.1 kilometer, 2.8 kilometer, within the 900 meter. Okay, how is it possible? Based on the GPS. Okay, so for example, another best example is in railway station. Okay, in railway station you want to boarding a particular train. Okay, so till your platform you have used the particular internet technology, internet. Okay, so after the boarding the particular train, okay, you should use your GPS only. Without internet it is enabled. Okay, it will be enabled and it will working. Okay, so that is behind the local positioning system or global positioning system, GPS. Okay, so without GPS, without LBPS, the social and mobile and digital marketing is not possible. So that is a very important. Okay, so when you have designed a website, when you have designed a app, so we should give more importance to the particular GPS, accuracy of GPS, analysis of GPS. Okay, so how to connect between the, how to connect with the particular Google Map or different type of maps. Okay, so the now is the Google Map is very best one. Okay, how to connect between Google Map. Okay, so these are different information. These are different technology we should adopt it. Okay, so without internet we can able to digital marketing, we can able to online marketing. Okay, so that is a main thing from the shipping to delivery. Okay, so now new marketing concepts. Okay, there is a new marketing concept nowadays. For example, we are using the Facebook. There is a conversations and engagement. Conversation means look like a comment, like, share. Then engagement, there is a comment. Okay, suppose you have get a positive comment, you will give, you would type thanks. Okay, look like that. Okay, suppose you have get negative comments, at the same fastly, at the same speed, you should give some answer to him. There is positive answer to them. Otherwise you will lose your reputation. Okay, next one is impact of smartphones and tablets, social, mobile, local access. Okay, so that is a very important GPS, local positioning system, and the GPS, global positioning system. Nowadays we are using GPS. Okay, So this is already I have explained. So there is a mobile, social, and local. Okay. So how it is these three components are interconnected between the it integrated by the local based and the GPS global positioning system. Without the GPS, we are not able to shipping to delivery, or we are not identity. We are not grow our business. Okay. So if we want to improve our business, we should more and more concentrate on the GPS. Okay, in future, otherwise we will lose our business. Okay, there is a social marketing, traditional online marketing goals, deliver business message to the most consumers. Okay, then social marketing goals, encourage consumers to become fans and engage and enter conversations, strengthen brand by increasing share of online conversation. Okay, so then social marketing players, the most popular sites account for 90% of social networks visits, Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, LinkedIn, then Pinterest, Instagram, Tumblr. So nowadays we are using the Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, first one is a Facebook, next one is a Twitter, next one is a LinkedIn. So yeah, that is our, so nowadays teenagers they are using the Instagram also. Okay, then we can categorize the unique visitors versus engagement. Okay, so look like that, a lot of different criteria available under the social marketing players. So okay, this is the one engagement top social sites. This is nowadays 336 sorry 336 people are using a particular Facebook. Okay, then 121 at a seconds, at a minutes. Okay, 121. So LinkedIn 18, MySpace a 5, Pinterest a 38, Twitter is a 39. Okay, so these are different users use a particular social network at a minutes as average minutes per visitor. Okay, so nowadays we are increasing based on the Facebook. Okay, visitors. Okay, so this is the social marketing process. 5 steps in social marketing, also applicable to local and mobile marketing. Okay, so what are the different steps? Already I have told to you. First one is a fan acquisition, then engagement, then amplification, then community, then brand strength. Okay, so what is our main outcome? What is our main objective of the particular business? Okay, to get a business lead, to improve a business lead, to increase a business lead. Okay, that is each and every goal of the particular business. Okay, then the first one is a fan acquisition, nothing but that is to get a lot of followers, to get a lot of friends. Next one is engagement, nothing but that is already comments and etc, likes etc. Then amplification, look like that, same share, then views of that particular videos, then community to get here some group or to form here some community. Last one is a brand strength. Okay, that particular this but particular fan acquisition to community converted as a brand strength and business lead. That is our aim. Okay, so now we will demonstrate how to convert it as a business lead and brand strength. Okay, in Facebook. Okay, now we will take Facebook. Okay, so all of you have your own page, own Facebook profile. Okay, log in your own Facebook profile, then goes to the particular plus button. So this is based on the desktop oriented particular plus button, then create, then go to the particular. So in the under the plus button you have post, live event, page, advertisement, group, event, marketplace listing, then fundraiser. Suppose you want to add your product in marketplace listing. Suppose you want to sell your product, your reusable goods in that one, you can add for item for sale. Then photos, add photos. Okay, then type your title. Suppose you want to sell a desktop now, so place your desktop or place your laptop here, then title, then give your quotation as a price, then select the category, which enter the category furniture, household, garden, appliances, look like that. Last one is that particular product condition. Okay, new, used, like new, used good. Okay, look like that. All of you able to see the screen?
Yes,
No,
sir.
please type in. Yes, okay. So my voice is clear, okay? Okay, ma.
Yes, sir.
Then this is a page, okay? That is a marketplace. Okay, first one is a photos. So which goods or which product you want to sell, then title of the particular marketplace. First go to your profile, then plus, okay, then add the marketplace. Okay, so these are different details you want to give here. Go to the plus. Okay, first open your profile and go to the plus. Then if you want to sell your old goods and product, go to marketplacing. In that marketplacing, there is an item for sale. Okay, then add photos, which goods you want to sell. Okay, then title, then price, category, condition, description. The last one is publish. Okay, so you can select your location also. Okay, so that is basic goods to add, that is a resale available in the Facebook market. Okay, next one is how to promote our page. Okay, so first one we will demonstrate how to create a page. Okay, how to create a business page in Facebook. Okay, go to page. Okay, suppose we want to promote MBA internship. Okay, next one category, which category required training or education or educational consultant also, is no problem. Okay, so description, you will give some description. This content writing is very very important in each and every social networking. Okay, so otherwise you are not you will not get attractive customers. Okay, so last one is a create page. Okay, now MBA internship was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. Okay, so after creating of the particular web page, okay, that is a Facebook page. Okay, we want to add a more number of images and videos and posting. Okay, look like that. That is available here. Okay, so we should place more number of images, videos, and post. Okay, so it is it is a plan oriented. Okay, so before creating page, before creating a particular content, we should plan based on the calendar or event manager. Okay, so we should design before the 1 week. Then only we have to identify each and every customer pain and customer details, product details, collect the content writing, look like that. Okay, so otherwise it is not a good one. Okay, so we can see mobile oriented also. So there is a desktop oriented also. Okay, so nowadays a lot of people's Facebook users are using the mobile phone. So we should design based on the mobile phone. So this is a responsive mode. So there is no problem. Leave it. Okay, then save. Then save. Okay, so now we are created a one business page. Okay, now we want to add more event, more offer percentage, then more off one job. Okay, so more photo and video look like that based on our customer pain, customer requirements, customer details, customer psychology. Okay, customer physical behavior, customer location look like that. We have considered lot of things. Okay, so this is a very important. We should analyze each and every based on the customer. Okay, because we are selling the product to customer. Okay, not promote our product. That is not important, only promote our product. Okay, that is the 100% definitely to reach the customer. Okay, so customer feedback, customer satisfaction is very important. So first analyzing very important. So based on that, we should create a video, audio, infographics, pictures look like that. Okay, that is very important. Next one, I want to promote this web page or particular Facebook page. How is it possible? Go to promote. So if you want to create username, you can create that event. Okay, look like that. You can add more and more here. Okay, so this is a different type. So if you want to add button, you can add button also. Buy gift card, order food, book now, get quote, call now. For example, call now. You will give your phone number, India phone number. Okay, so select the particular country code and you will give. Okay, so that is a phone number, for example. Then save. Because that is not a India phone number. Okay, for example, order food. You want the order food website. You will give your website also. Okay, so add button. Okay, then contact us. Your URL also you will give. Okay, so look like that. You will give. You will add more and more button. Only one button. So you will add also more and more button here. Okay, using the add a button. Okay, then goes to the promote. Now you want to promote based on the already we have discussed previously. Okay, now we want to promote based on the different type of fan acquisition, then fan acquisition, then engagement, then amplification, then what is called community. Okay, finally we will get business lead. Okay, so now we will see step by step how to promote our Facebook page. Okay, so till now all of you able to understand? Any doubt till now? Please unmute and ask and type in chat box if you have any doubt. All of you able to understand? Any issue to understand my language or my voice?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Shall I continue?
Yeah, continue, sir. You can continue, sir.
Okay. So first we want to promote our Facebook page. Okay. First one is a page name. MBA internship is a page name. Then automated ads. Then choose a goal. Okay. Under choose a goal, we have three type of goal. First one is a promote your page. Suppose you have a own website, how to promote it? Next, first one. That is how to promote your Facebook page. First one. Next one, get more website visitors. Suppose you have own website, how to create a more number of traffic for your website. Last one is how to convert it as a last one, how to convert it as a business leads. Okay, so that is a main important in the particular each and every business. Okay, so first one is promote your Facebook page. How to promote your Facebook page? Okay, So first one, add creative. How do you want to your ad to look? Suppose you have designed a post now, you can add here. Okay, so that is a very important. First, add creative. Then description is nothing but that is a content writing or content writing. Without a content writing, yeah, goodness, so that is a very we are not able to attract the customer. So content writing is very important. So when we are writing the content, there is no need a paragraph or there is a boring words. So we can add some emojis, or we can add some icons, we can add some pictures, or we can add different styles of attractive styles of fonts. Okay, so look like that, we can add a different type of description. Okay, so next one is that is the image. Okay, image upload, then video upload, then crop the image. Okay, suppose you have designed a particular video, you can upload here. So that is a second one. Okay, next one, special ad category. Ads about social issues such as the economy or civil and social rights, elections or political figures or campaigns. Okay, suppose you want to promote your page based on this issue, economy or civil or election. Okay, suppose you want to uh, suppose you want to participate in your elections now, so you can use that political also. So that is you want to enable, then get authorized to run these ads. Okay, review authorization, that is very important. Otherwise you can disable it. Okay, next one. So next one, so there is a special ad category. Okay, next one, audience. Who should see your ad? Okay, that is very important. People you choose through targeting. Okay, so suppose I want to edit this one. Okay, so what is my targeting? So MBA, my target is MBA internship. Okay, so who is doing MBA after completion of particular degree? Okay, that is a MBA or integrated MBA also some people are doing. Okay, so that is a main age is age in 18 to maximum. Regular MBA is 19 to maximum regular. Okay, 30. Okay, so that is a normal. Suppose I want to adjust the age now, we can adjust. Okay, that is a 31, 32, 33. Okay, so next one is your what is your target location? Okay, Chennai. Chennai. Then Telangana. Then Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so these are my target. Okay, otherwise we can drop in the particular also. Okay, then detailed targeting. Suppose I want to detail targeting. Education level, which level? Detailed targeting. Education levels means there is a school field of study. Okay, look like that. Then degree. Okay, degree, that is in college. In college. Okay, so that is look like that we have select. Okay, then field of study, financial, and then areas. Okay, okay. So look like that we can select a lot of properties, lot of things here. Okay, based on our customization. Okay, then interests. Okay, then behavior, interests, then behaviors. Then we can add more number of category or some miscellaneous also. Okay, so there is a detailed targeting. So are you want to close the audience dialog? Yes, confirm. Okay. So what is my audience? Sorry. Audience level is 22. You can 31. Okay. 19 to 31. That is my audience level. Then detailed targeting. So now that is a potential reach is fewer than 1,000 people because I have given detailed targeting. Okay. Then save audience. Okay. Now please see that is a people reach is 0 to 6. Total budget is 374. Okay. So next one. Duration. Run this ad continuously or choose when this ad will end. Okay. So I want to select the 5 days. Okay, 5 days up to September 8. Okay. Next one. Next one. Budget. Okay. So estimated people 0 to 6 because I have given target audience that is a graduate and some I have given some target audience also. Okay. 0 to 6 people reached per day. Okay. 74.84. 120 na it will change. Okay. You will change the particular 1500 and the range. Okay. Suppose okay, I'm not given any detailed audience, but my age is 31 to 19 to 31 because MBA internship. Okay. So next one, that is based on the our selection, the budget will be changed. Okay. So totally 1077. Then finally we have payment method. Then promote now. Okay. That is a one method, one goal. Okay. Next one, that is to promote a business Facebook page based on the first one. Okay. Next one is get more website visitors. Okay. That is the next one. Suppose we have own website. Okay, there is a change. Educational the same will be appear here. Add creative description. Then we can add a image, etc. Then headline MBA. Okay, then that is a very important means there is a website URL. We should place website URL. So next one is a special ad category means that is a social issues such as economy or civil and social rights. Okay. Then next one is the audience means who should see your ad. So here also I will change. Okay. That is a 18 to sorry. Okay, 31. 19 to 31. Location. Look like that. I have type different type of location. Look like that. Okay. You can add more number of location. Then last one is a save audience. Okay, now the people reach is 136, 393 because I have added the US also. Okay, so there is so look like that. Link click is 7 to 20. Okay, suppose I want to change it. There is a run this continuously add. So I want to change the budget now. It will maybe vary the budget also. Okay, So based on the budget, it will change it. 454 to 1.3 K. Oh, that is a 1300. Then link clicks means 23 to 65. Okay. So this is a budget based on the budget. So it will increase. Okay. So there is a then we have to pay the amount based on the credit card and debit card, then promote now. So next one is here very important. There is a placement. Placement means which social network you want to display. Facebook is a default messenger. You want to display in a messenger or not? Okay, there is a amount is reduced. Then Instagram. Okay, so that is a based on that. That is a based on that. It will maybe vary. Okay, you want to display in this one. Okay, so there is a people reach and link clicks also vary. Okay, there is a promote. Then last one is a promote. Okay, there is a second goal. So first one is a how to promote our business page based on the Facebook. Next one is a how to promote our website. Okay, own website. Okay, last one is a get more leads. Okay, whatever may be in business, whatever may be, finally outcome is finally outcome is very very important. Okay, what is our each and every business final outcome? Business lead. Okay, and our brand, if they are growing now, they want to develop their branding. Otherwise they want to improve their business lead. Okay, so how to get a business lead? So that is the last one. So there is a customized form. Okay, so how to get a different type of business field? So we want to fill the particular information, contact information, etc., etc. Then they directly contact the particular business and customer. Okay, so there is a customized form. Okay, we can customize form. So full name, the phone number. So that is a look like the Google form. Okay, we can design phone number, street address, date of birth, then gender, then job title, then company name. Okay. Then suppose you want to add a survey now, we can add question. Okay. We can add question to a server. Then add a privacy policy. That is a optional one. Then next. Okay, there is a educational consultant. The same. That all are same. Okay, there is audience details, then duration, look like that. All are same. So last one is we want to pay amount, then promote now. Okay. So because this is a very very important. So when will to give their particular business lead? Okay. So business lead means first we want to promote. First we want to promote our Facebook page. First we want to promote and branding our website, our products. Then only finally we will go to the particular business lead. Otherwise we will recommend directly to the business lead. This digital marketing will be lost. Okay, that business will be lost. Okay, so when we will that is a strategy. That is a business marketing. That is a digital marketing strategy. Without knowing of the strategy of the particular business, so definitely the digital marketing will be lost. So only a lot of products will be lost. Okay, so first we have to design our strategy. Okay, so that is a one. Next one. So already we have discussed three type of goal. First one is a promote your page. Next one is a get more website visitors. Next one is a get more leads. Okay. So next one is a automated ads. So how to these are based on our customization. How to get the automated ads? Okay. So this is a one. Go to automated ads. Then get started. So it will take. Give some questionnaire. So based on that, we will select. Do you want to people to come your business location? Okay. So people want to come your location directly or not? You have online business or direct business. If direct business, na yes. There's no online business. Okay. Next one. Do you have a website? Yes or no? Yes. Next one. Do people buy products on your website? Yes. Next. Do people book appointments on your website? No. They can able to buy at any time. Do you get leads through your website? No. Till now, no. Okay. Do you want to people to contact you? Yes, that is a business lead. Without contacting business people, how to I can run the business? That is important. How do you want people to contact you? Select all type. All type. They call me. They share their contact information, because that is a very very important in the each and every business. That customer contact details are very 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 important. Otherwise, you will not able to business in online. That is digital marketing. So what are different contact? There is a, already I have showed to you. There is a mobile number, email, look like the street, etc., etc. Okay. So where are some topics are in my like? Okay, that is a look like MBA. MBA. Okay, look like that. We will type. Okay. Next one. Create your ad versions. Select the ad versions. Next one. Select all special ad categories. Social issue selection. No, no need. Okay, just only business only. Last one. Finding your audience. So this is the automated ads. Okay. So go to Messenger and Messengers or get more. What is our main? Get more leads. My aim is get more leads. Okay. Or get more shoppers to visit our website. Okay. So my aim is get more leads. So based on the leads, okay, I will type and I will customize this. Already we have discussed previously. Okay. So these are different type of Facebook conversation, Facebook leads, and Facebook engagement. So look like that we have converted as a profit digital marketing business. Okay. So till now you have any doubt, please ask me or unmute, ask me or type in chat box.